Global Alternative Smart Alpha is an actively managed, high-conviction multi-manager, multi-strategy hedge fund investment program. The program strives to produce positive absolute returns regardless of financial and commodity market direction by investing in a diversified set of globally developed markets and asset classes such as global macro, relative value, equity hedge, trading, and CTA. Our portfolio is a unique blend of carefully selected investment managers and strategies targeting an uncorrelated set of opportunities. The strategy offers genuine risk diversification by exhibiting low to negative beta and correlation to equities, bonds, and the hedge fund industry as a whole. Additionally, it provides a critical advantage with little pairwise correlation across investment managers. Since 2018, the strategy has worked in different market situations, such as bull markets, bear markets, sideways markets, and in case of strong market dislocations and corrections. Blending systematic and discretionary investment approaches within a core non-core framework has proven to be a complementary strategy, offering more stable results over different periods. Through our extensive global network within the hedge fund industry and our insights from countless manager meetings, we can identify a unique set of investment opportunities that we believe other qualified investors may need help recognizing or accessing. Let me now give you a quick snapshot of September. Over the last few months, the dominant market story has been the sharp rise in long-end yields in the US, impacting most other geographies and asset classes. It remains to be seen whether this trend will continue or has already peaked. This is a crucial question that will have significant implications for economies and markets. While most central banks paused rate hikes, inflation data and expectations catalyzed moves, particularly in long-duration bond yields. The answer will determine whether the hoped-for soft landing materializes or the cycle ends with the decline of other asset prices and eventually domestic demand. We think we are currently in a confusing time, and finding answers is hard. If inflation remains at around 3.5%, this may be too high for the Fed to start cutting rates. We are not in a position to predict the markets. However, we expect equity markets to remain choppy and, at some point, break downwards. Global Alternative Smart Alpha closed in September with a plus of 1.65%. The most significant positive attribution came from our global macro and CTA book, contributing 0.92%. The relative value book provided 0.38%. Market neutral and volatility contributed 0.17%, and equity hedge delivered 0.18%. On a year-to-date basis, we provided a net return of 6.20%, and the annualized return since 2018 is 11.2%. As communicated in recent reports, we have been reducing risks in 2023 given the uncertain environment. The volatility of our portfolio has experienced a significant decrease this year, reaching a historical low of 2%. This is the lowest level since the portfolio's inception in 2018. Our volatility target for the strategy typically falls between 4% and 6%. However, as of the end of September 2023, our portfolio has been running with an annualized volatility of 4.66%. This indicates that we have been able to keep volatility within our ranges. Our focus on proper risk diversification remains unchanged by maintaining a portfolio with low to negative betas and low to negative correlations to equities, bonds, and the general hedge fund industry. However, the low pairwise correlation between the individual investment managers is even more critical to providing real risk diversification. Our conclusion, 2023 has been and continues to be a challenging environment for hedge funds. There's been a lot for hedge fund firms to deal with in recent years, such as markets turning choppier amid worsening geopolitics, rising rates, the Russia-Ukraine conflict, more recently, the terror attack in Israel, and last but not least, deteriorating relations between the West and China. However, the remainder of this year in 2024 presents challenges and uncertainties as crucial economic policy decisions are made geopolitical tensions increase, and debates about the economic outlook continue. We therefore think that we currently are facing a hazardous macro environment. Nevertheless, we expect all these factors to increase volatility and create new opportunities for diversified and risk-controlled investment strategies, such as those implemented within Global Alternative Smart Alpha. Hi, I am Rainer Lang, founder and CIO of RML Advisory. We would be delighted to provide detailed insight into our strategy and investment process. Please do not hesitate to contact us. We very much appreciate your interest, and thanks for watching.